Is 2022 gearing up to be a historical year? 2022 is gearing up to shape itself as a revolutionary year with Neuralink and of course with the master Elon Musk. Elon, through his social media accounts, television interviews, talks about Neuralinks and its human trial. Now if we go by his words, then he expects the much-awaited human trial will be done in the year 2022. Sounds phenomenal, right? Don't skip this video as we are going to share with you the updated news regarding Neuralink. Stay tuned. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. So with no further delay, let's start the video. Neuralink, Musk, and the past trials. After the two successful trials of the brain chip, Neuralink and Musk are all set with the immense amount of confidence to do the human trial in the ongoing year. Musk, in his several conferences, as well as in social media, is pretty sure about the human trial this year. In 2020, Neuralink's first trial had been done on a pig, Dorothy. It was a successful trial. Musk, in a live demonstration, showed that after the installation, the pig was moving around like other pigs, and after removing the chip, also the pig appeared happy and healthy. In 2021, the trial continued with a 9-year-old macaque monkey, Pega. They planted the brain chip in each of his brain, and in a live video play they recorded the neural activity from his brain to the computer. But the brain chip Pega enjoyed playing his favorite game, Pong. After the trial, Musk said, and I quote, "Neuralink is working well in monkeys, and we're actually doing just a lot of testing, and just confirming that it's very safe and reliable, and the Neuralink device can be removed safely." The Tesla founder goes on this note and depicts that the monkey, despite having a chip in his brain, appeared normal and that playing the game telepathically is profound. Musk was speaking about the monkey that became an online sensation after his Mind Pong video. During this interview, he said that the only thing holding Neuralink from going into human trials is FDA permission. Now this project is waiting for the human trial. Neuralink and the brain chip. So, the brain chip or the brain-machine interface is not a whole new concept in the market. Many times, experts have done their research on this topic, and their academic excellence confirmed that it is possible. Neuralink is just on the path with the team to make it happen in real time with their advanced technology, their upgraded material science. Some devices are there in clinical trials for BCI movement. These devices just have a few hundred electrodes. They will be placed on the surface of the brain. The surgical robots who are going to do the installation assure that it will not affect any blood vessels. 1024 electrodes will be put into the user's brain, which can read 1024 neurons. Sitting inside your brain, this micro device will connect your brain via Bluetooth. It is more like a smartwatch that can function throughout day-to-day lives. Neuralink is also developing an iOS app to give the users a guide throughout their activities. This app also mentors the users to use the whole features alone themselves. Certainly, a person having a chip installed in their brain doesn't have to run to a clinic or a hospital for the activities. After a time of practice, when a user can adapt to the Neuralink's algorithms, then the user will be able to control the devices telepathically through a keyboard. Let's have a glimpse at its features. It has 1024 channels per link, 23mm by 8mm, a flush with a skull, invisible, 6-axis IMU, temperature, pressures, etc. Megabit wireless data rate, wireless charger, post-compression, all-day battery life. It will connect to your phone via Bluetooth after a full night of charging the battery. The user is all set to run throughout the day. Neuralink and its goals. So many of these applications we have discussed earlier already have been tested by BCI devices. Krishna Chinoy, who is a professor at the University of Stanford, also a Neuralink consultant, published a project of the brain-computer interface with a chart of BCI. Here, BCI shows the physical interface. A human with a pen in his hand for a minute can interact with 13 words. With the on-screen keyboard, it can turn in 20 per minute. An expert can turn it into 75 words. A BCI implant in May 2021 showed that using the electric current from the brain to the text software, users completed 16 words per minute. And with this technology of BCI, we are standing here. It helps us immensely in communicating way faster. Here, Neuralink comes with their aim to establish more communication, as the text performs in a minute. By Neuralink, one order of magnitude, the ratio will increase up to 180 in a minute, and the conversational chat rate will be 150 per minute. There are some comments from Musk that Neuralink will also help us regarding artificial intelligence. Superhuman or something like that? We'll see. Currently, this brain chip is concentrating more on the devices and their neural networks, which are going to help people with injuries, spinal cord problems, neurological disorders, as well as memory loss, hearing loss, eyesight problems, and brain injury. Also, it will monitor the user's health, warning the user about a possible heart attack by reading the signals from the neuron and sending them to another part of the brain, or a computer to an iPad to decode it. The brain-computer interface, or the brain computer, is soon going to be on the top of the market. It is just a matter of time. Neuralink, Elon, and the news. In a conference presented by the Wall Street Journal, Musk epitomized Neuralink and its work in 2022. In his 60-second interaction, he briefed us regarding the 2022 strategy. Musk also summed up his observations on what Neuralink will be able to achieve in the coming year. The massive announcement he had made during this short interview was that he can see the human trial in 2022. He added, and I quote, "We hope to have this in our first humans, which will be people that have severe spinal cord injuries like tetraplegics, quadriplegics next year, pending FDA approval." Regarding safety, Musk has already ensured that the safety standard is already higher than the requirements from FDA. Just like his Tesla, they already exceed the standards of NHTSA. In his 60-second conversation, Musk ended up saying that, "I don't want to raise hopes unreasonably, but I'm increasingly convinced that this could be done." Musk also added that their removal chips are much higher than the needs of the US government. Neuralink already had crossed the promised time limit as Musk, as well as the team, targeted human testing at the end of 2020, as per the Tesla CEO's 2019 statement. Although through his social media account, Musk answered questions related to the chip. Replying to a user, Elon said, "Progress will accelerate when we have devices in humans. Hard to have nuanced conversations with monkeys." Next year. For now, the entrepreneur is anticipating that they hope to start the chip installation in the human brain in 2022. According to some experts, it will create something beyond our imagination, but some comments are also there which are deeply concerned about the safety measures. For now, we have to wait for the FDA and US government permission for Neuralink's human trial. Hopefully, we are going to see some amazing discoveries this year through new age science and technology. This is all for now. Stay tuned to get the updated news. Also, if you liked this video, do give it a like and share it with your friends and dear ones. Keep supporting our channel. Your support is the channel's fuel to run. Also guys, the Omicron graph is rapidly increasing. Take care of yourself and your family. Be positive, stay healthy, speed humanity. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.